Welcome to Autism Takes On, and today we're going to talk about the cacao fruit. If you have no idea what a cacao fruit is, don't worry, we'll explain what it is later. Right here you see is a cacao fruit. It doesn't have anything to do with cows, well, not directly. But let me ask you this question. Have you ever eaten chocolate? Well, if you have eaten chocolate, thank this fruit. If you heard the word cacao, it sounds a lot like cocoa, which this is what this is. This is where you get the cocoa beans to make the chocolate. Now the beans are bitter. That's why they add sugar to chocolate, or at least cocoa butter. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and favorite.